missed the jump. Go! Oh, did he? Okay. I didn't see him fall off either. Did he go in the air at all?
Yeah, a little bit.
Sit on your butt and crawl. Scoot.
Got it, Isaac. All right. Leg straight. Arms straight against the chest. And head against the wall.
I'm gonna get them both.
Good job, Leo. Was that fun? All right, take your jacket off. Get your buddy tag. We got to head on back to camp.